Now, there are two sides to the story emerging. That Arnett Gardens winger, Renaldo Cephas, is off to Macedonia to play professional football. Cephas has been a live wire for the Junglists this season with his lightning pace and sublime finishes. Big blow for Arnett that he had to leave now, but good move for the baller as he embarks on his new journey. But you know, this Cephas transfer is typical of many transfers that have affected the Premier League, posing a major challenge for the marketing of the league. People talk all the while that the league is not producing enough stars and blah, blah, blah. Not true. Young stars do emerge, but as them push up them head, overseas clubs come calling. That is the consequence of having a selling league. Arnett and Waterhouse and Tivoli and Portmore and Harbourview are semi-professional clubs and must sell their best young players in order to survive. That is the reality that the JPL has to grapple with. What they can try to do is to produce a huge volume of stars. Yes, produce more young stars, but then again, that would mean they would probably be selling more young stars, which would keep us going around in full circle. Yes, full circle.